Zoho People tutorial. Zoho People tutorial and demo 2025. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be exploring and showing you guys how to utilize Zoho People and its features. So Zoho People is specifically for your employees to monitor the attendance, their leaves, and so on and so forth in relation to them. So you will be able to manage everything that is related to your team in this page. So over here in our homepage, we can see right away that we have different features regarding to our customers, rather our employees' system or attendance. So over here in activities, you can see here different work schedules, different reportees over here. This is where you will be able to see your different employees and search for them, of course. You can check out some feeds over here where you could simply mention and like talk to people, have some announcements, where you will be able to check people's status, approvals, and so on and so forth. You could also check out some files over here for yourself, of course, for your own information. You have approvals over here. So this is for when people are applying for a leave or something like an attendance option here. For example, in the leave section, people could request for a relief, and this is where you will be able to monitor as well. For attendance, you will be able to hear which people are absent, or if you yourself are absent, you click on check in over here, which will check in as you can see here that you're currently present and now working your sick day over here in this bar. You could also change shift over here if there are additional shifts, of course. And you have here some time slots available. You could start timer over here. So let's say you're working on a specific job right away. So for this one, searching some topics for your business. Something like that. Submit. Of course, specific project. So let's say over here, app development. Go. Submit. And what are you working on? So let's see. Jump in here. Click on submit. And over here, what are you working on? Research topic. Something like this. And then you can also now start the timer. It will record that you are currently working on this thing over here, and it will time how much or how long you have to do that. So your employees are able to do this to help you or to manage their different tasks, also time how long they have been working a day, so on and so forth. So this is a really useful feature to monitor if your employees are working in their job, if they went into work early, so if they're going to leave their work early. That you could also check out overtime and work. Here we will be jobs over here. So have jobs on if you prefer. There's got some files over here that you can share with your employee, which will help them, of course. There's also HR process over here. You could raise an HR process request. So for example, you want a department change, you could raise that, and you can select your new department. Here, select a marketing. That you can select communication, your new reporting manager that you want. This one. Enter your reason for change. So let's say, yeah, I guess that, and this could be your file request for a department change. So you have location change, as well. You could raise this information center, raise concerns to HR in this section, and you also have your career here. You'll be able to see your progress or your current job title in the company. So you can see here when you joined in, and your company name, and here. You can also check out this person's information here. So for example, S19, Michael Johnson. You can check out his profile, his history, department right now. Right now, he doesn't have a book. Here, he's absent. You can see here his payable days, process days, when he paid holidays, so on and so forth. So you could really track significant amount of information about your employee, whether they're working full time, and you can even check it for yourself if you are working circuit on leave. So some time logs here, timesheet, jobs, file, and so on. So those are the different information that you will be able to check out from yourself and your employee as well. You can also check out companies' Facebook here, similar to LinkedIn, Facebook. You will be part of the wall, information here, surveys, check out different parties, and so on and so forth. You can also have one for the organization itself. A lot of services like boarding, leave tracker, time tracking, and so forth. So some of this information here or this link here are available on the menu as well, such as the onboarding and tracking. Here's for the onboarding over here. You can people and you can also update them. Or you can select one specific person and you can update the information. And from that, you can also track people here. So if you have a lead available here, and this is on balance, that's request here. So if you want to request for a leave, you can also select this here. You can select the reason, the date, the time, your email, that you receive, and that will be brought up to HR. And then similarly to what we saw earlier, where we can check out the information. So we will be able to monitor for who are the people who want to apply for leave, and we can, of course, approve or give them an approval for the similarly you have here, right now. If like well, so you can see the available shifts now. Time tracker, top time trackers, how much this person has worked. So this is very useful for people who work or are on specific tasks. So you can tell them how long they've been working on a specific task over here. Then you can check out your speed as well. Performance as well. You can monitor how well people are performing, like goals, skill set, competency, and so on and so forth. And after working as well, you can also click on checkout over here, which will check you out after a certain your total hours that you have been working. This is very useful for people who are trying to manage and monitor different employees' performance, especially in terms of attendance,